Kapali. Kapali. Ayos lang, sir. Pali na. Sobra pali. So, nanubabo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Yakoy Louis season ning here in Pampanga. Pansin nyo, medyo I'm dripping. I don't think if summer has been officially declared, pero sobrang pali. And right now, what you ngini keng Vista Mall Pampanga. So, what you ngini keng MacArthur Highway of San Agustin, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Kasi tingong feature, talagang sakto ya for summer. So, aside from the, milk tea craze, meto yun ni karetang meging viral mo rin at saka patok at saka aburida rin tao. So today I am featuring Go Mango. So bayo yung buklat refreshment stall kay ni King Vista Mall Pampanga. So we're gonna find out about their product na nasa-serve na mo yan. Grabe lungop na kasi mapali talaga. So see you inside. So Go Mango just opened recently, very recently, and we're just one of the first few lucky people to try this new craze in Pampanga. So Go Mango is located at the 3rd floor of Vista Mall. Actually, malapit siya mo iniketang cinema. We're gonna find out about their products and we're gonna order. Hello, good afternoon po. Yes, ma'am. Ilan na ring flavors or varieties na rin karang Go Mango, ma'am?
Bali po sa Sunday po, 3 po yung flavor namin. Sa smoothies naman po.
So ito yung Sunday, ito yung smoothies. Ayan.
So best seller po naman yung mango cailan po. Pero yung kasunod po na flavor, mango Oreo and double mango.
Wow, what do you suggest? Siguro I'll take 2 Sundays. Nano na rin
Mango
suggestion?
Graham yung best seller po, mango Oreo.
Mango Graham at mango. Okay. And then for the smoothies, I'll go for the crema.
Crema.
Yes.
So go for the large po.
Yes. Okay, dito na lang. Okay guys, so this is it. This is our order. So actually I just ordered 3 pero itong owner insisted me to try these 2. So thank you so much for being generous. So let's try it out. So they have 3 variants for the sundaes. So this is mango graham and then the other one is mango Oreo and then itong metong day is double mango. Yan. We're gonna try out first with the sundae. Initang karelang mango graham. In all honesty guys, this is my first time to try out. Wow. This is best paired with, of course, a Graham biscuit. Let's try it out. Oh, absolutely refreshing. Wow. Kinipa mo guys, mag-enjoy na ako. Wow. So next is mango Oreo. Tear it up. Alam nga sabi. Pero grabe, if you've been following me, sinabi ko na dati na I'm an Oreo person. So anything that complements with Oreo, most likely burike. So yeah, this is a thumbs up. Oreo, mango Oreo. One more try. Yeah. So right now we're gonna try their smoothies. So actually I think lang 4 variants, but right now we have this one. This is the mango crema. Then din naman itong mango graham with pearls. I think this is the mango Yakult. Let's try first this one. Let's stir it up. First sip. Wow! Wow, kanyaman na. So refreshing. So I think initang if you're a straight mango person and then you wanna try a mango smoothie, this one it is. So wala yung masyadong alawang flavor, talagang it's mango. This time, iniinkare lang mango graham with pearls. So as you can see, atin yung graham at the bottom. At the same time, atin tamong all-time favorite pearls, di ba? So yeah, let's tear it up and can't wait to try it. Okay, moment of truth. Let's try it. Wow. Bala mo, Aliyah traditional. Once you sip it, ating yung pearl, ating yung graham, and then ating yung lasa na nitang caramelized pearl, mga yan. Wow. And one more thing. So, kasi pinatin yung additional ingredients, walang papantay na itong flavor na ning mango. So, like I said, this is not the traditional mango drink or smoothies kasi ating yung aluwang ingredients or add-ons. Wow. Okay, so this is the mango crema. This is the last one to taste. By first observation, lupay apin talagang creamy. And on top of that, of course, it's a mango flavor. Pero I'm excited to taste itong pagkakain na crema mo. Ayan. There you go. That's right. Wow. Wow. That one is really refreshing. Refreshing. Yaman, ha? So I think for me, this one is the glass to bring kasi super refreshing yun. Itang mango flavor na alyamila ko at the same time. Super creamy. Wow. Thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate your time. Again, if you're looking for a refreshment, an alternative for your usual milk tea, something natural and something healthy, of course, this is on the sweet side, diba? So, moderation pa rin, diba? Nothing beats Oreo. Nothing beats Oreo. No, yeah. I could finish this up. Okay, so ngayon kasama natin si Sir Jan. So, siya yung isa sa mga dahilan bakit meron tayong Go Mango dito sa Pampanga. So, Sir Jan, thanks for inviting us po.
No, thank you. The pleasure is ours.
Yeah, I really enjoyed the... Pero nakakabusog talaga,
Nakakabusog siya, no?
Super.
So it's actually a snack in itself. It's a dessert, it's a refreshment, it's drink, it's everything you can ask for, I guess.
All in one.
All in one, that's the goal.
Starting at 65 pesos and 75 pesos, that's very reasonable.
The goal is for us to actually come up with reasonable products that are reasonably priced.
Yes.
Because we want a lot of people to enjoy it.
Correct.
So the way we create our products is that we try to balance cost and quality.
Yes.
So we make sure that we offer the best product at the best possible cost as well.
Wow. So any upcoming plans for Go Mango?
Oh, so Kabalen, this is gonna be the first branch.
This is the first one.
Branch
Yes.
natin here in Pampanga.
Okay.
We're expanding from Manila, so we're bringing now Go Mango here in Pampanga. The next branch will also see you in SM Telabastagan. Will open on March 15.
Wow.
We'll also be in Apalit, Save More Apalit by the 22nd of March.
Wow. So if, for example, mga kabalens po natin, they want to franchise or on a business like this, how they can,
Sure. You can send us an email via gomangomnl@gmail.com.
Okay.
For franchise inquiries or for anything about the product, you may reach us through that email.
All right. Thanks so much again, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. A pleasure.
Okay.
Salamat.
All right. Thank you. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching here in Pampanga. Please do give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please go to YouTube or Facebook and search for Where in Pampanga until our next discovery. Thanks for watching. Bye.